TWI, Training Within Industry, is a dynamic program of hands-on learning and practice, teaching essential skills for supervisors from all industries. The skills of frontline supervisors and team leaders make or break the effort to implement and sustain lean manufacturing fundamentals. TWI provides the missing link to lean manufacturing and Kaizen, the foundations of the Toyota production system. TWI teaches the essential skills of job instruction, methods improvement, and leadership. In 3 skill modules, each comprised of 5 two-hour sessions, supervisors learn a well-defined and easy-to-implement method. Participants bring in actual jobs from their own work sites in a learn-by-doing approach that is efficient and effective. Each module is presented by TDO certified instructors using the proven TWI methodology. The first module, Job Relations, or JR, teaches supervisors and team leaders how to build and maintain positive employee relations. Job Instructions, or JI, teaches supervisors how to quickly train employees to perform jobs correctly and safely, resulting in less scrap and rework, fewer accidents, and less equipment damage. Finally, Job Methods, JM, trains participants how to improve the ways in which their jobs are done, producing greater quantities of quality goods and services in less time. TWI teaches people how to identify opportunities for improving their jobs, how to propose these ideas, and how to put them into practice. By doing so, TWI provides an immediate return on investment from workforce training. Nixon Gear, a mid-sized manufacturer in Syracuse, New York, utilizes TWI as a critical component of their operation.
We manufacture high-precision gearing. It's a machine shop in the general sense of the word, and we make high-precision parts for OEM customers. The environment that finds us in today, of course, is a very competitive environment in the world of manufacturing. TWI came to us at a time when we had been through a fairly big lean initiative, a lot of training, a lot of teams working, a lot of activities going over a 2-year period. And we were looking for what was being next to help sustain the gain, if you will. And TWI made great sense.
TWI's Job Relations module helps people work together successfully, paving the way for a continuous improvement culture.
We followed the recipe of TWI, and we started with JR. Because in our environment, that seemed to us, this makes the most sense because we're going to be bringing people together from different functions, from different areas, and with different skills. And we really didn't want to get bogged down with people issues. We wanted to just move into the real opportunities and go forward with them. And the Job Relations made that happen.
The next module, Job Instructions, provides a tool for creating stable, repeatable processes.
TWI's JI portion was, to us, the home run. JM is the continuous improvement part of that, but JI is really where we develop the standard work.
We just realized this was a real opportunity using this tool, and we took it and ran. Everything here at Nixon, everything that we trained, we had a job instruction for. So whoever trained, the trainee was hearing the same process. We gained training improvements immediately. The rate that we could bring new people into the shop and get them up to speed and in front of a machine improved dramatically. We've always known, similar to any other process, consistency is what you need to have. It's what creates the reliability of the process, whether you're manufacturing a gear or putting order entry into the system. Once you have that, you can go back and look at it and say, how now do we improve it?
Job Methods is the key to continuous improvement.
Job Methods is where you really get doing it better. We had home runs, and we had triples, and we had some doubles, and we even had some singles just to talk about. Everybody in that room could see the power of what they had just built with JM. So, absolute payoff.
We've seen gains in shipping, We've seen gains in manufacturing. We've seen it across the board because waste exists everywhere, and the job methods was just a great way to say, this is where you are, look at it, what makes sense here, what doesn't make sense, what is adding value and what isn't, and why do you do it? So it's great.
After completing the job methods training, a team and myself decided to pick this part here because of its high volume and its accuracy. The one thing that we noticed with this part is there seemed to be a lot of handling with it, and it seemed to move around the shop quite a bit. There's a relationship of timing from the keyway to the tooth, and for the operator to check that, he'd have to walk 176 feet to the CMM to measure this, which would take about 5 minutes, and then he'd have to walk 176 feet back. With that being said, and getting the operators involved, they said, well, it would be nice if we could check that right at the machine. So we decided to come up with something here that the tool makers made up for us after getting together with engineering and drawing it up.
And all in, it probably cost us less than $250. And now we've eliminated washing, we've eliminated walking, we've eliminated interrupting a machine. We've figured on the our rough calculation, we think that we're saving close to $12,000 a year. Our shipping area was a shipping area. It was cluttered, disorganized, but it worked. We had the supervisor, the team leader of our shipping department in our training, and he used it as a job methods improvement activity. So these guys, he formed a group of people. We had some very creative ideas, some motivated people, and in a couple days we completely transformed this from a place where 2 people would have to work in there, falling over each other, getting in each other's way to get a day's shipments out, to a department where 1 person can efficiently get everything boxed and out. So it was a big win, very big win.
TWI and lean manufacturing work hand in hand at Nixon Gear.
There's a journey through lean, and there's the continuous improvement aspect of whatever you do. JI, JM, and JR are all great tools for our toolkit of continuous improvement.
Job methods worked really well. It hooked up real nice with our lean activities. The lean activities like a Kaizen event or something like that is a great way to go out and look and just shake something up. What the job methods did was it gave the people a tool that when they're out there doing it every day, they're able to step back from what they do, look at it, and evaluate it, and ask the questions of why. Do I need to do this? Don't I need to do this? So it makes a ton of sense in conjunction with lean.
As seen in Nixon Gear and countless other companies, TWI is a powerful change agent. Dr. Alan G. Robinson, award-winning author, educator, and consultant, has studied the impact of TWI on businesses for several years. Dr. Robinson recently commented, "The TWI programs have a long track record of dramatically boosting productivity and quality almost wherever they are used. They might well be the most successful supervisor training programs ever developed. Over the last 4 decades, they have supported the Kaizen efforts of some of the world's most efficient companies. In particular, they played a central role in the conceptual development of lean production and in instilling its most important principles in the minds of millions."